Millions of years ago, the Earth was ruled by dinosaurs. From the mighty T-Rex to the fast Velociraptor, they dominated the land. But this story is not about the biggest dinosaurs, it's about the smallest ones. Because some dinosaurs had a special feature: feathers. At first, feathers were just for keeping warm, but over time, some dinosaurs started using them for something amazing: flight. One of the first was Archaeopteryx. It had wings, but it couldn't fly like modern birds. Instead, it could glide from tree to tree. Over millions of years, dinosaurs with better wings survived. Their feathers became longer, their bones became lighter, and they developed stronger muscles for flying. Soon, these creatures were no longer dinosaurs. They were birds. Today, we don't see T-Rex or Velociraptors, but dinosaurs never truly disappeared. They are still with us. As birds, eagles, penguins, even chickens, they are all descendants of dinosaurs. So, next time you see a bird, remember you are looking at a tiny dinosaur. Dinosaurs may be gone, but their legacy lives on. Every bird in the sky is a reminder of the ancient giants that once ruled the earth. Thank you for watching.